Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I am looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for this EA called Cetus EA by Vladimir Mametov. First thing I always like to check is the basic product info. The EA is priced at 250 US dollars, and I can see it's currently on version 4.1, last updated on 6th April 2026 with about 15 activations listed. From the description, this is a fully automated expert advisor designed specifically for trading Euro USD, and it is optimized to run on the 1 hour time frame. The minimum deposit mentioned is $100, and it is recommended for ECN style accounts with low spreads, which makes sense for systems that take frequent trades. Now, one thing that I like to point out is platform compatibility. In the information that I have on the screen, it is clearly listed as an MT5 expert advisor, and there seems to be no MT4 version. All right, so anyone who wants to make use of this EA will need to have the MetaTrader 5 platform. Moving into the strategy description, the EA is powered by 21 different trading strategies, which basically suggests that it has multiple internal signal conditions working together to generate trade entries with higher frequency. Now, talking about the trade management, every position is protected with a fixed stop loss, and exits are handled through either stop loss or trailing take profit system. Now, that helps lock in profits as price moves in favor. I also notice it has some adaptive management features. If price doesn't move in the expected direction, it attempts a break-even exit. Okay? And if the market moves into drawdown, it tries to close trades on a pullback, which is aimed at reducing overall loss exposure. Now, there is also a news filter and trading time filter, which helps avoid certain market conditions. So now looking at the backtest section, I'm just going to first of all start by analyzing the attached backtest result here. And we can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was over 6.1 million. And the total trades taken were 1,553. Short trades were 916 with a 99.13% win rate. Long trades were 637 with a 98.27% win rate. The largest profit was 93,987.38. Largest loss 59,686.99. Average profit 4,382.07. Average loss 20,493.4. Okay, so this shows me that the risk to reward ratio on average is bad, but the win rate is excellent, is superb. So I believe that the win rate would have had a very large impact on the total net profit that we had here, coupled with the fact that the total trades taken were over 1,500, right? So let us now head over to our strategy tester to also see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. As we can see, I'm testing the Cetus EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and I am running the test over the past 5 months from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server. We are using every tick modeling. Okay, so let's quickly look at the results, and we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit made was 3,149.87, and 47 total trades were taken. Short trades were 25, with a 52% win rate. Long trades were 22 with a 40.91% win rate. The largest profit was 2,886.37 and the largest loss was 13,472.76. The average profit we have here is 1,144.13 and the average loss is 880.84. So this also shows me that the risk to reward ratio is actually okay. In this case, the average risk to reward ratio is okay, even though it's not exactly excellent, but perhaps close to 1:1.5. And we can also see that the win rate is quite low. All right, so I'm not really surprised to see a total net profit of about 3.1% over the space of 5 months. All right, but now looking at the backtest section, and as I go through the historical chart performance, what I can see here is a structured sequence of trades across Euro USD on the H1 time frame, right? Reflecting that multi-strategy behavior during different phases of the market. Now, rather than focusing on individual trades, what I am really observing is how the system reacts across time. Periods of activity, consolidation, exit behavior under changing conditions. And one of the things I also observe here is that this EA seems to be targeting just short-term price movement, because we can see from this trades here, open, close, just few candles, and the trade is closed. This one was opened and closed within the same candle, which is the 1 hour candle. So within 1 hour, the trade was opened and closed. This one was just few hours. This one just 2 hours. All right, and so on and so forth. Okay, so from a result standpoint, this is a historical backtest performance. So it's important to remember that outcomes can vary based on broker conditions, spreads, execution speed, and risk settings. I'd also recommend running longer testing periods yourself to get a more complete picture of how it behaves across different market environments. Now, overall, this EA looks like a system built around structured risk control and multi-signal execution. But like always, it really comes down to how it performs under your own testing conditions. All right. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Okay, so in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.